Now is New York attorney Domenic Romano. He is the founder and managing member of Romano Law. Domenic, welcome. Great to have you with us. How much say does Britney Spears have in ending this legal arrangement?
Well, the conservatee, in this case Britney, would have to petition the court and demonstrate that she's able to manage her finances and able to manage her own affairs. What's unusual about this conservatorship is it was established in 2008 to be temporary. It was recently renewed to last until September of this year. So that's over 13 years.
And the New York Times reports that court records it obtained found that Spears said the conservatorship, quote, restricted everything from whom she dated to the color of her kitchen cabinets. So if that's true, is that level of control unusual or alarming in general when you look at conservatorships, and in particular when you look at someone like Britney Spears, who's been performing and working throughout?
Yeah, I mean, she's only 39. And usually conservatorships are used for older people or people who are significantly unable to conduct their own affairs, in an accident, temporary in nature, and then it's handed off back to the individual. Now, it's not unusual in Hollywood or in the music business to have a business manager make certain financial decisions and handle business affairs. What's unusual about this is the length, the duration, and also how all-encompassing it is, and the fact that it keeps getting renewed.
So what do we know about how Spears's finances specifically are handled? Who benefits financially from this arrangement? Well,
it's interesting because on one hand, right, if you go back to 2008, when it was originated, and you think of the situation, she was reportedly in debt. Now she's made, according to some media reports, $60 million, 2 platinum albums, like the successful Vegas residency. So there's an argument to be made that the conservatorship has been effective in managing her financial affairs. And of course, the conservators are paid, the outside conservator, the money management firm is paid a fee. But also, arguably, it's, looking at this from both sides, it has been successful to some degree. Now, the issue is Britney Spears going to go in there today and petition for the conservatorship to end? And can she demonstrate now that she's competent enough to handle her affairs on her own, that she's overcome whatever adversity she was experiencing over 13 years ago?
All right, we'll have to see which way the court decides. Domenic Romano, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.